Well, howdy there. Well, as you can see, I'm finished now. I was going to be on a stage production, but that somehow I seem to got written out of that, which is sad, to say the least. Got my hat and everything done. I got decent ears and that. And a beautiful, beautiful beard there. I got everything but a gun. A duck hunter. I was hunting ducks before I could talk. And now, well, it's just duck hunting really. There we are. Of no use to man nor beast. Yeah. I can't even play the banjo. Yeah. I'm been videoed as best in this light. There. I'm quite big. It's quite big. Yeah, I'm quite big. Here we are. Hand. Got two hands. Sometimes have a rod, but he ain't fitting them to me today. Anyway, I'm off. Bye. Y'all say bye-bye. Y'all say bye-bye now. Don't forget to write.